this is a must. So you need to create GitHub first, and since I've already made my GitHub, so I just need to create a new repository here. In your repository, and all your work, which is the website that you want to create, you just need to put it here. So you create this repository name, ions code, create, maybe I don't need that, and then create repository. It's still checking for the availability, so never mind. That's how I create repository. And when you create a new repository, it will, the first thing you will see is like this, and then you just need to upload or create new file. So you just need to uploading an existing thing, and then you choose your file. For example, this is mine, so I will upload this, and I can upload again. I cannot upload like 3 of them at the same time. I've already tried it, but it didn't work. So this is the things. This is actually the things after the testing submission, but I found that when I put the submission, I don't need to use this, the form submission, I mean. Also, I need to put index so the website can read the code from the index. It's not from my code. Wait, did I just... Okay, already uploaded, so just submit it. Oh my god, my internet. And before that, you need to create the submission first. This is the submission, the form. Just go into this form. Let me copy it. The fomrspree, and create a add new form at your project, and then they will share the link, this link, and also the code. They told us the code. This is helpful, and this one is actually your form, your code, your whatever, your name or your what. I don't mind. And this is the copy, and then put it into Y. By the way, it's how you upload it. Just upload it on your repository, and this is my repository, and this is the code I put, testing, and I put this form into my code. This, let me copy it so some people maybe can check. Let me check whether this code is working. Does anyone can open my GitHub? Fuck my internet. By the way, what the... It's still morning though. What happened with my internet? Okay, never mind. So you just need to put this form as like the code, you know, the code they provide into your HTML code, and then you will see somebody's going to submit it and blah blah blah. Yeah, fuck my internet. And Okay, by the way, yeah, you just need to put it into GitHub. I think I've already sent the previous video where you can make the GitHub into a website, but this is the form example. By the way, since my internet is kind of broke, it's mine, it's myself broke, I'm going to end this recording soon. Okay, just tell me if you had any problem. I might be helpful. I can help maybe. I don't know. Never mind. Bye bye.